Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some gluten-free almond flour sandwich wraps. I love these wraps because even though I'm a wheat eater, the wraps are chewy and springy and very much bread-like. And they're super simple to make. So let's make a batch, okay? The wraps begin their elegant career as a very simple batter. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour. Almond flour is just ground up blanched almonds. And to give the wraps elasticity, you'll need 1 cup of tapioca flour. And for flavor, 1 teaspoon of table salt. And to bind everything together, 1 cup of ordinary milk. And for more flavor, and also to help the wraps to brown, add 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And then whisk everything together. Yeah, I think that was just 5 ingredients. And that is that. The batter is complete. All right, it's time to cook off the wraps. So I have my nonstick skillet set over a medium or medium-low flame, and I let the pan get very hot. And again, this is a non-stick skillet. And I'm going to give it a short spritz of vegetable spray. And then I'm going to add just shy of half of 1 cup of batter. And then immediately swirl the pan to create roughly a 7-inch diameter disc. Yeah, this is just like making pancakes or crepes. And then we're going to let this disc or crepe or wrap brown on the bottom for about 30 seconds. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface of the batter. Hi, Avery. You watching me cook? My dog is at my feet. If I could move the camera, I'd show you this little sweet face. Okay, we're ready. So now you can flip with a spatula, or you can do this. Voila! And there, it has a nice lacy brown top. And then we're going to let the underside cook, just for 15 seconds or so. We're good. So then slide the wrap onto a cooling rack. And I'll do 1 more wrap for you, but this time I'm not going to spray the pan. Again, that's just shy of half a cup of the batter. And this batter will make enough for 6 7-inch diameter wraps. Let it cook for about 30 seconds. Yeah, see the bubbles that are forming on the surface? Yep, this baby's ready to flip. Let me loosen it up here. And then flip. Oops. Didn't do that one very well. See if I can fix it. Yep. That's what I get for showing off, folks. If I wasn't filming this wrap would have flipped perfectly. Again, the underside only needs to get spotty brown. Oh, and notice the top. It's much browner than the first crepe because I did not spray the pan with nonstick spray. So really, you only need to spray the pan once, just to get a good start. And on you go to the cooling rack, and you can stack the crepes like this with no fear of them sticking together. So I will finish these off, and then we can make a proper sandwich wrap. So here's one of the wraps. And remember I said they were springy and spongy? Well, they're also very elastic. You can fold them in half like this. You can fold them into quarters, or you can roll them up like a Cuban cigar or a burrito. Okay, let me get my sandwich ingredients together, and then we'll prepare lunch. Okay, before we make our sandwich, let me show you that I managed to get 6 wraps out of that batter. And now, let's make a little lunch. Hey Avery, that's my dog walking around if you hear the pitter-patter of little feet. So here's our crepe. Here's the public side. Here's the less brown, non-public side. And we want the public side down to start. And then I have some wonderful hummus here, just store-bought hummus. I'm going to spread the hummus on the wrap. Try not to make too big of a mess. We want to go all the way to the edge with this. And then I diced up a red bell pepper, so we're going to throw some of this onto our wrap. And we're going to add some fresh organic lettuce greens. Maybe a few more. Then, to turn this into a proper wrap, I have to take the top and let's see if you can see if I do it this way. And then you kind of tuck the wrap under the filling ingredients and roll, 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 and then tuck the ends in, like so. That way all of your filling ingredients won't fall out while you're eating the thing. Then grab a sharp knife. We're going to cut this on a sharp bias, like so. And let's have a look. Here's our beautiful bell pepper and lettuce and hummus almond flour sandwich wrap. Well, I really hate to eat on camera. Nevertheless, bon appetit. Okay, this is really delicious. One of my favorite sandwiches. So I hope you'll run out and grab some almond flour and some tapioca flour and make these wraps for yourself. Again, even though they're gluten-free, even wheat eaters will love them. I promise. And I hope you'll subscribe to this YouTube channel and post a comment below. And if you need the printable recipe for the wraps, you'll find it over my website. And that too will be linked in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Wow. Good.